With the autonomous vehicle market growing rapidly, development teams are in a race to bring vehicles, functionality, and features to production as quickly as possible. New Eagle is the partner you need to accelerate your time to market and bring autonomy to new industries and applications. We're helping to bring autonomy to smaller fleets and specialized machines and to develop enhanced autonomous functions. We've worked on applications ranging from unmanned aerial vehicles to automated boat hatches. New Eagle's production-ready drive-by-wire kits are a simple, fast, plug-and-play solution for a range of popular vehicles. All of our kits are rigorously tested for safety. New Eagle's drive-by-wire kit provides everything you need for the foundation of your autonomous vehicle. Every kit includes an automotive-grade controller, wiring harness, ROS nodes for communicating with the system, a Raptor Cal software license to easily adjust calibratable parameters, and 40 hours of expert engineering support. By using a turnkey solution for your vehicle controls, you speed up your development cycle and keep your team focused on your business goals rather than technical issues. Get to work quickly with off-the-shelf kits for Jeep Grand Cherokee, Chrysler Pacifica, Toyota Prius, Chevy Volt, and more. Meet ISO safety requirements with the help of our certified functional safety engineers. Source ruggedized production-ready hardware from world-class manufacturers. And if you need a custom solution, you can work with our team to develop an autonomous system that delivers exactly what you need. Get your autonomous vehicle to production faster. Contact New Eagle to learn more about our drive-by-wire solutions.